Hello!
Hello!
Welcome to Big Draw 40. Literally just before we went live, I was like, what number is this?
4-0. You've lost count.
I have lost count,
That's
but we're here in Triumph East London and we've actually got an audience.
Triumph East London Massive.
So can you do that with a bit less energy,
Yeah,
please?
come on. Let's go again. Triumph East London Massive. Yay! And they're in the house.
Better. But as always, we're going to find loads of winners tonight, not only for the tickets that you've bought, but loads of free stuff too.
28 in total, Dean.
How do they do that, Dan?
Cool, you tell them.
All right, you comment. All you got to do is comment. Every comment counts. Any reply, get commenting, and when we get to the outtakes, you know the drill now. We'll pull the list, and then we'll do some random stuff. We might play a game.
We might do. If we're prepared enough, we'll see what happens.
And we'll find a load of winners for some free tickets, some 5 free tickets, 3 free tickets.
Yeah, there's website credit and all that sort of jazz.
All that sort of jazz.
Is that all they can win, Dean?
But you can win 2 mugs.
Mugs.
As always.
Become a member of the Apex 66 Mug Club Elite.
But how do they win?
How do they win? They have to be funny, Dean. They have to be funny, and there are some examples coming up in a minute. So we'll
we
share.
Them up now, or
we'll share. We'll share them in a minute.
Follow that bit. Yeah.
Yeah, we can follow the script. I mean, that would be cool.
Get some funny comments in, and if Stu's quick enough, he'll find them on the live, and we might find them tonight. If not, we'll find them tomorrow. He's just put his thumbs down. Stu, you are mic'd up this week, so you can say hello.
Hello, everybody.
Hey, you can hear him. He's mic'd up. He is there. He could whisper, and we couldn't quite hear him. And he could say anything about
all
us,
sorts
couldn't
of rubbish about us.
And they could hear it, but we couldn't.
Yeah.
So
good week, Dan. What did you get up to last week?
Amazing week. Absolutely mental. Well, before we get to last week, let's talk about next week. So next week we got a busy one. You remember the Panigale was won by a guy called Chris Yates. He was fairly local to the dealership we were drawing that from. That was Pidcock's of Nottingham. He does live in Nottinghamshire, so he's going to come and meet us on Tuesday, and we're going to hand over the bike at the dealership, which is quite cool. Which we've not done that yet. Yeah. So hey, watch us on Facebook at that particular day, and you will get to see a very smiley, fingers crossed, Chris Yates picking up a very nice Panigale indeed. Very cool, very cool. So last week was busy.
So you just said the wrong name, haven't you?
What?
You said this week's winner. Oh no, sorry.
Next week is Chris Yates. Stu and I, back end of last week, we had a mental week. You will have seen on the Facebook Live, we went to hand over. Does it start again? Oh, hang on.
Come on.
Oh. No. Come on. It's getting there. Just need to get that speed up a bit. Yeah, we did have a blip where it came back. We're just watching for that. Once that gets up to about 3,000, we're usually okay.
3 miles now.